Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have 5 different job leads for you that are all hiring work from home right now. One is even hiring worldwide, so I do have it first. The rest of them are going to be United States only, so my worldwide viewers, once you've viewed this first one, feel free to drop off for the rest of them. But of course, real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about working from home, helping you find the best work from home jobs that are hiring right now, as well as testing out some side hustles and extra ways to make money. So if you never want to miss out, make sure you're subscribed to have that notifications turned on. And of course, if you like job leads like this, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, I do want to say today's video is just going to be a hodgepodge of different things. With the long weekend that we just had for Thanksgiving, not a lot of companies were posting their jobs, so I expect more jobs to be posted later today, but this is what I have found for you so far. First up, we have the company Remote. Now, Remote has 364 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.9 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for a payroll specialist, and this is remote worldwide. But as a payroll specialist, they're looking for somebody to review and guarantee submission of their payroll related data to their service providers, statutory filing requirements, payroll approvals, things like that. You're going to manage those existing relationships with payroll, accounting, and benefit service providers, just serving as that point of contact for customers if they run into monthly payroll cycle issues. You'll be responsible for ensuring all the data is correct. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position, which is great for a worldwide position. They're looking for somebody who has 4 to 5 years experience in in-house payroll processing, someone who knows payroll best practices, and of course, you've got to be great with those software tools like Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. You're going to be working with a lot of data, so you've got to have an analytical mindset and be a problem solver. Now, the downfall of this is because they are paying worldwide, pay is going to be dependent on your location and experience. So if you're in the United States, you'll probably get closer to that $76,000 a year mark, which is a little over $1,400 a week. If you're outside of the United States, you might be on the lower end of pay, but pay for this position goes anywhere from $22,700 a year all the way up to $76,700 a year. If you're in the United States, I'm sure you've heard of Bath & Body Works before. They are hiring. They have 9,500 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.8 out of 5-star rating. They're looking for a seasonal HR representative. Now, this is going to be remote, full-time, and pay is a straight $19.80 an hour, but they're looking for somebody to work in their remote call center environment, receiving and advising calls regarding human resource related employee inquiries. So you are going to be on the phone with this one, but you'll be assisting all the associates calling HR direct and completing personal data, job data, and benefits related transactions in the HR system, providing support to associates using web application online to complete their transactions. You're going to answer things like benefit and payroll questions, coordinate with HR for other functional groups, just providing that high level of support. So these companies are hiring for the holiday season, and they need extra support with their employees as well. They're looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years of some kind of call center customer service experience. It is a plus if you have HR, payroll, or benefits experience. That is not required. You do have to have a high proficient in utilization of dual monitors. So you need to be a multitasker who can use multiple computer systems and multiple monitors at the same time. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and great attention to detail. But if healthcare is more your thing, I have 2 different positions in the healthcare field. Now, this first one is with a company called Within Health. They only have 12 reviews on Glassdoor, so please, as always, do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. They do have a higher pay rate, which is why I wanted to include them. They have a 2.8 out of 5-star rating. So again, make your own decisions there, but they are hiring an insurance benefits verification specialist. They're looking for somebody who has insurance benefits experience because they need somebody to be able to take full ownership of that verification of benefits process, maintaining and updating insurance benefits in their system, collaborating with insurance companies and the admissions team, just managing and responding to all the inquiries regarding client benefits. They require a high school diploma or GED. They prefer some college, but it's not required as long as you have 1 to 3 years of experience in admissions or billing. They prefer somebody who has experience in behavioral health. You do have to know how to read billing codes, medical terminology like CPT codes, ICD-10 codes, and you have to be compliant with those HIPAA regulations. Pay, however, for this position is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. And if you were a little worried about that one, don't worry, you still want to be in the healthcare field. We have Prime Therapeutics coming in at 868 reviews on Glassdoor, overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a quality specialist. No, so they are looking for someone to work with their quality department in their care center, coordinating projects resulting in continuous quality improvement and process improvement. So you're going to coordinate with these assigned teams for improvement activities like accreditation support, processing improvement projects, and monitoring of performance guarantees, just conducting that quality control review and internal audits for all of their processes, summarizing your findings, preparing reports on those findings, and assisting in the preparation of external audits. So you're going to help make sure the company is following all policies and procedures and is just operating smoothly. They're looking for somebody who has 2 years of quality improvement or auditing related in the healthcare field, knowledge of healthcare quality improvement processes, and a high degree of organization. You've got to have those strong computer system skills, specifically Microsoft Excel. But pay is anywhere from $46,570 a year all the way up to $69,850 a year. And last but not least, if you're a financial type person and you want to work in the fintech, Monzo Bank has 698 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.8 out of 5 star rating. They're looking for a customer operations specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States, paying $50,000 to $60,000 a year. I tried to get higher paying jobs in this video, you guys. They are a fintech company based out of the UK, and they're expanding their business in the United States. So they're looking for somebody to do great customer support and passionate about delivering it at scale. So you'll provide this customer support by talking directly with their customers through a variety of mediums like phone calls, in-app chat, social media platforms, and email when needed. You're going to develop an understanding of what their community really wants from a digital banking product, helping prioritize and help build the community and loyalty. So you're going to spot patterns in that customer feedback and help escalate that up so positive changes to processes, tools, and the digital banking products can be made. So you'll work closely with the financial crime team. So if anybody reports fraud, you'll have to deal with those inquiries as well. They're looking for somebody who has great customer service skills, someone who is great at explaining things to people so you can take those technical terms and turn it into something that's easy to understand. They do prefer somebody who is bilingual and proficient in Spanish, somebody who is friendly, focused, and super organized. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I never make any promises, but I do read those and keep a lookout. If you enjoyed any of these job leads, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up, a like button, share with all your friends and family. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.